Hi everyone, today we're looking at unit rate. A rate is a ratio that compares two quantities measured in different units. The rate for 1 unit of a given quantity is called a unit rate. So when we break it down to find out how much in 1 unit or per unit, then we're finding the unit rate. For example, if we have somebody who has measured 150 heartbeats in 2 minutes, the two different units of measurement that we're comparing is heartbeats and minutes. So we start off by writing it as a ratio, 150 heartbeats to 2 minutes. And to find out the unit rate, we need to divide one term by the second term. So 150 divided by 2 is 75. So the unit rate is 75 heartbeats per minute. Here's another example. Jim read 66 pages of his book in 2 hours. So we're comparing pages to hours. To find the unit rate, we write it as a ratio, 66 pages to 2 hours. And then we divide the first term by the second term in the ratio. 66 divided by 2 is 33. So we're talking about 33 pages per hour. Jim read at a rate of 33 pages per hour. And using this / here is another way of writing per. So 33 pages in 1 hour, 33 pages per hour. We can use unit rate to help us find solutions to a number of problems. So here's one to test it out. A car travels 25 miles on 1 gallon of gas. How far can the car travel on 8 gallons of gas? Well, let's start off by writing it as a ratio. We have 25 miles per gallon, 25 miles to 1 gallon of gas. And we need to find out how far the car can travel on 8 gallons of gas. Well, we've already multiplied the second term by 8. We know we're trying to find out how many miles the car can travel on 8 gallons of gas. And to do that, we need to find an equal ratio. When we find an equal ratio, we need to do the same to each term in the ratio. So we've already multiplied this by 8. We need to do the same to the top term in the ratio. So now we multiply 25 miles by 8, and we find that that gives us 200 miles. So the car can travel 200 miles on 8 gallons of gas. Unit rate can also help us find the unit price, where we find how much per unit we are paying. So here we have 2 bottles of drink, exactly the same drink, but just in different size bottles. So we have one bottle that holds 24 fluid ounces, and it's selling for $1.20. And we have another bottle that holds 32 fluid ounces, and it's selling for $1.28. So the two different units of measurement that we are comparing through these ratios is price and size. So the price of the first bottle is $1.20, and the size of it is 24 fluid ounces. To find the unit rate and how much we are paying per fluid ounce, we would divide these two numbers. And we would find that we are paying 5 cents per fluid ounce if we were to buy this bottle. In the second option, we are also comparing the price and size. So this bottle is going for $1.28, and it holds 32 fluid ounces. So again, to find the unit price, we would divide, and we would find that we were paying 4 cents per fluid ounce in this second option here. Now, ultimately, what we are trying to find is which is the better value, and you'll get more used to this as you go shopping and organize your own budget. And it's really a great skill to have to find out which bottle is better value for our money. And if we compare the two unit rates, 5 cents per fluid ounce or 4 cents per fluid ounce, if we're buying the exact same product, I'd rather pay less. So I would buy the bottle that has me paying 4 cents per fluid ounce because it's better value for me.